What is Green theorem? Our Green theorem is used to evaluate the line integral along a closed curve C. So, what is statement? If mxy and nxy be continuous function having continuous partial derivative del m by del y and del n by del x over a region R, see this is the region R, and if mxy and nxy, as this is the xy plane, there are two continuous functions mxy and nxy. So these continuous functions are having continuous partial derivative del m by del y and del n by del x over a region R that is closed by a curve C. So this is the curve, this is the closed curve C. From here A, B, C, D. So, if then the line integral, as we know, Green theorem is used to evaluate the line integral. So, line integral m dx plus n dy is equals to double integral over the region R del n by del x minus del m by del y dx dy. So this is the Green's theorem. Which is used to evaluate the line integral over the closed curve C. So we have to prove this. Let us prove. First of all, this is the xy plane and we are having 2 points on x-axis A and C and 2 points on y-axis B and D. Here, when we join this point, we get the curve C, A, B, C, D. So, this is the region R, which is closed by this curve C. This is the curve. So, as this is the B point on y-axis, so here we are having y is equals to y1x and here we are having y is equals to y2x. So, let the curve C be divided into the curves, two curves. This whole curve is divided into, let us divide this curve into two curves. One is A, B, C, that is C1. Another is C, D, A, that is C2. So, we divide the curve C into two parts, C1, ABC and C2, CDA. And we are having two equations, as I already tell. At B we are having y is equals to y1x and at D we are having y is equals to y2x. Now, let us find out the value of double integral of region del m by del y dx dy. How we will find out? First of all, here we will put the limits of y. Lower limit is y1x and upper limit is y2x. So, here we go. Next, the limit of, as here is dx, now limit of x. Lower limit we know a, upper limit we know c. So, as we know, when we write this and this will be cut and we get mxy. When we integrate this, we get mxy with lower limit y1x, upper limit y2x. So, when we will put the value of, we know first we put the upper limit y2, then lower limit, like mx y2 minus mx y1. Now we are left with a to c. This is for the limits of x, lower limit and upper limit dx. Now first we will break this a to c mx y2 dx, then minus a to c mx y1 dx. Now next step, as according to the rules of integral, we know that a to c mx y2 dx, when we change the lower and upper limit, here we get the sign minus and limits are changed. As it is from a to c, our limit is changed c to a, but here we get minus c to a mx y2 dx. Now this is our 2 and this is our equation 1. When we put the value of 2 in 1, we get minus lower limit c, upper limit a. So mx y2 dx minus, this is the say a to c mx y1 dx. Now after this, we get that a to c mx y1 dx plus c to a mx y2 dx, and when we know that a to c mx y1, a to c mx y1, which curve is this? C1. So here we write C1 mx y1 dx, and C to a mx y2 dx, which curve is that? Here C to a, we are having the curve C2. So we write here C2 mx y2 dx. So when we add mx y1 dx plus along the curve C1 and integral along curve C2 mx y2 dx, we get line integral along the full curve C mx y dx. So now we have proved that this is equals to xy dx. Similarly, in same way, del n by del x dx dy is equals to line integral over the curve C nx y dy. And when we add, as we get this, here we can write like this, and when we add this both equation, we get line integral over curve C m dx and dy is equals to double integral region del n by del x minus del m by del y dx dy. So let us add. So this is our green tube. This was proved.